Okay, hello everybody. Hello, thank you. My name is Brigadier Lulu Senior. I want to show you how my all-purpose special content app actually works. This app was actually born out of the problem of counting people. I've been working in the ushering scene in many congregations and many places I find myself, whereby I have to count men and women. You have this task of using a piece of paper, you're writing down, you count men, you write down, you meet women, you count, you write down, and then at the end of the day, you begin to do a whole lot of mathematics, and sometimes you really don't have all that time. You don't have all that time to compute everything, and sometimes even when you do, we tend to make errors and mistakes, and then sometimes you might get your own side well done, another person who is to count the other side doesn't get the job well done. So out of that problem, I decided to see a way around it, and I developed this app. This is an all-purpose counting app. Basically, counts men and women, but it can also count other things. But let's see how it works actually. Okay, I'm here. I want to count people in the congregation, maybe about I have so many men and women. So all I have to do while walking through, when I meet a woman, I have an increase button, and then a decrease button, and it says. So I just click on the increase button for every woman I meet. And once I click on it, you see it's adding up. It's giving me 1. I click again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe the next person on the seat is a man. I have to click on the men increase button. Click again, and then when I meet a woman, I click again. When I meet a man, I increase. Maybe peradventure I increase for a man. Instead of this number 5, I now increase to 6. Then I discover that the person I just counted was a woman and not a man. What do? I have to decrease by 1, and then it comes back to 5, and I have to increase on this side of the woman, making it 8. Then maybe suddenly, as I was listening, I'm still part of the program, I hear something that caught my attention, and I decided to look away. Before I look away, I quickly do what? I click on my save button. Now, you see, it's showing me in this box below here, previous count 5, and then for women, previous count 8. And now it's showing me the total men that I've counted is 5, total women counted 8, and the summation of both men and women is 13. So I start counting again, I increase, I see women, I increase, I see men, I increase, and then I click on save again. Here is saving every count for every session. Every time I count and save, it records it on the previous count. Now let's see what happened in the men area. Now in the men area, total men is now 16. That is 5, which was our first count, plus 11, which was the second count. 5 plus 11 is 16. And on the women's side, 8 plus 6. That is the 8, which was the first count, and then the 6, which was the next count. 8 plus 6 is going to give me 14, and that's what is showing at this total women count. And now below you have the total men and women count, giving you a total of 30. So let's say I go on and on to count, and then count, I'm counting, and then suddenly somebody calls my attention, and I have to leave to come back to continue counting. What do? I quickly click on save. Everything is saved, then I come to the comment section, and I can just type something to remind me where I stopped. I could just say I stopped on the lady in red. Then I've commented that, and then I can go and attend to what I want to attend to, and then by the time I come back, where exactly did I stop? I will simply say I stopped on the lady in red. You can go forward to say lady in red in second row. So that's going to help me so much to know exactly where I stop, and then I can come and continue to count, increase by increasing my men. If I mistakenly, maybe I count, as I have 12 women, the next person I have to count was a man, but I counted the person as a woman, I will decrease, and then I will still click on save, and it's giving me the total number of men that I've counted is 30, total of women 32, and total men and women is 62. Don't you think this is such an awesome app that makes life so easy? Well, I think it makes things very much easy. Now, let me tell you another side of this app that is so much interesting and fascinating. Perhaps you don't want to count men and women. Maybe you have a farm. I don't like count men and women in a farm. I will simply come here, I refresh my page. I just come here, then I remove this man, it's editable, and I can put, let's say, what do you have in a farm? Okay, animal farm.org. You have a goat. Yes. Okay. Goat. And then here, instead of women, what else do I have? Peach. Like snowball. This looks good. Yeah. Snowball. Okay, I can write speak. There you go. So instead of here writing total men, I'll just write total goats. Total goats. And then instead of here writing total women, I could just write my total pigs. Somehow I like using an image to make this look good, so I'm going to look for one. It's really looking to see an image of the pigs. I like using image here, yup, and then goats, like. Okay, there you go. So instead of total women and men, total men and women, I have to change this to total goats and pigs. There you go. I've changed this app totally to suit what I want to do. Now, instead of counting men and women, I'm counting goats and pigs. Let's see, does it still work? Maybe at the close of the day, my goats and pigs are coming into the van and I want to know the number so that I'll be sure if all my animals are actually back to the animal farm, you know? Okay, goats, first goat comes in, second goat comes in, third goat, and then suddenly a pig comes in, I record it, and then a goat comes in, I increase, and then I have to, maybe there was a delay, because there was a delay in all of them coming in, I quickly save. And then the next one that comes is a pig. Then a goat, very stubborn, comes in, goat, trying to drive away the pigs, goat. Then pig. And then I save again, and it's still happening the same way. And then it's giving me the total count of goats, 17, total count of pigs, 12, and total goat and pig combined, 29. So with this, I could easily know if all my animals are actually back in the van. Wow, what an amazing app. I think you really need to download this app and make use of it. Thank you very much. Keep giving you more apps as we keep going. Thank you.